Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome back to our beautiful, snowy, but cold New Brunswick today. As I walk from the shack to the house for breakfast, another thought has crossed my mind. Stay tuned. We'll get to it right after this. So welcome back to the channel again, everyone. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. And in these videos, I cover everything to do with POTA, worldwide flora and fauna, and just portable ham radio DXing. Kind of focusing my efforts on talking about DX and maybe a bunch of other things. But in today's video, I want to comment on a couple of emails I got overnight. I got a few emails from some friends that have been watching my channel for a long time and have commented on implementing some of the changes that I have spoke about in my videos, like removing POTA or worldwide flora and fauna from calling CQ and just calling CQDX or CQ band. And they're getting great results. One of the emails was, hey, thanks, Stuart, for the tips. I've increased my DX count by X amount. I can't remember the exact amount, but it is very thrilling and rewarding. So that's my video topic for today. If you, when you try and you focus on working DX with your parks on the air or worldwide flora activations, and you just kind of focus on DX. Remember, my focus is working stations on the other side of the pond, or on the other side of the continent. Like I like to work British Columbia, California, Washington from here in New Brunswick. But Australia, Japan, Europe, Africa are all, I got Kazakhstan this morning. You know, once you get that thrill of working DX and putting different country flags in your log, you kind of, I call it graduate, move up in the ham radio world, I guess. I try not to sound like, if you want to focus on working Bob in New Jersey, I don't want to say that's a bad thing. If Bob in New Jersey is your target audience, I'm sure Bob is happy that you're working him on a daily basis. But once you experience that thrill of working some new countries, you don't want to go back just to working the guy down the street. You want to continue to see how many other countries you can grab. And that's my topic for today, is just the thrill of working DX. And the 3 or 4 emails I got overnight all expressed the thrill of working DX. Give it a shot. Go out and do a POTA activation and set up your activation in a way that you target DX. That means getting rid of the ground-mounted verticals, putting antennas up in the air. I got some new experiments that we're going to be doing over the next little while too, with some taking the ATOS and getting it up 30 feet in the air. I got a lot of things I want to try just to see if I can improve my DXing. Anyway, experience the thrill of working DX with your parks activations. And give me some feedback and let me know how it goes. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you guys down the log. And if you're a DX station, I really look forward to working you in the next little while. 7-3.